Joe again from Mossberg & Sons with this 500 and 590 subcompact series. This is a 500 that comes with a 7-inch barrel, tactical forward grip. Now this is a Mossberg design as well. Yes, it does come with the ATI anti-shock pistol grip with a QD stud availability to anchor to hang a 1-point sling, still tang safety, up to 3-inch magazine. It's a 3-inch load. Now, this is a 3+1, so it's 2 underneath and 1 on top. This does require a $5 tax stamp, and this is an NFA file.
And MSRP and availability?
MSRP on this one is $735, and availability, these are on the market already at your local distributors.
Excellent.